Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. It is Cast Iron Wednesday, and I'm going to take a little bit of a variation on a theme. I'm going to take and make fajitas. I've got to chop up the fajitas in small pieces because this comes in huge pieces. And we've got some sweet onion chopped up. We're going to take and cook those all together, and just to make it to where you can make a little fold over, a little burrito. And they turn out awesome. Alright guys, we got the number 12 Lancaster coming up to temperature. I sprayed it just with a little bit of canola. It's still not all the way hot, but we're still going to put these in there. Kind of break them up a little bit. Get them cooking down a little bit, and then we'll take in, once the meat's all chopped up, we will take and get it all added together. Alright, they're all broken apart, so now we'll get it to cooking. So let's go chop up the chicken. Alright guys, the onions are just about where I wanted to get them. I'm going to take and pour the chicken in. I'm going to spread this out, mix it up some. I was going to put my 12-inch lid on this new big Lancaster, but it went all the way to the bottom, so I'm gonna have to find something big enough to use as a lid. So we'll get this in here, we'll let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll stir it up some more, keep it going so it doesn't burn, and everything should turn out great on this thing. Well guys, sometimes you have to improvise, so I use this old pizza pan. Just covered it up there, and we'll let her cook. Well guys, it's looking good so far. It's just going to take a little while to cook down, but it's already starting to smell awesome. Hey guys, well, she's nearly done. Been chopping up stuff as I go along. The one good thing about doing it where there's this much, I put about a quarter of a stick of butter in this when I was cooking too. When it comes down, it's got all the juices. You can take and literally just push on this chicken, and it just comes right apart. Cuts perfect. These things are, it's great on tortillas, sandwiches. You can add it and cook with pretty much anything, or you can just eat it as it is. Just pull out a piece and go to town on it. So it's nearly done. We're gonna let it finish up, and then we'll finish up the video. Alright guys, she's done. Everything turned out perfect. The fajita meat, it didn't overpower anything. In fact, the sweet onions come out really good. You can taste the butter in it. Everything is like a perfect mix. I don't know what to call it because it does have the fajita meat and I started with, but adding the other stuff definitely made it awesome. So if y'all want to try it, I definitely recommend it. And like always, I'll see you next Wednesday.